Hey guys, welcome back to GreenTGarden. Today I'm outside. It's beautiful, guys. If you look right behind me, guys, I have two beautiful, amazing container of lettuce. Guys, today I'm gonna be showing you guys, telling you guys, and giving you guys some tips on how to grow lettuce. Easy and simple, also cheap way, guys. That's how I go, baby. Save money. Alright guys, so what I did basically to get beautiful, delicious tasting lettuce, simple. All you gotta do is to get wide mouth container. See the mouth? It's very wide. The bottom, the lettuce they don't have a much bigger roots, so the bin don't have to be deep, but it have to be spacious. So my mistake, what I did, is that as you could see, I had put too much seed in this container, so it's filled up. But that's fine by me. 2 containers for me, that's a lot, guys. So if you guys want a lot more lettuce, make sure when you're planting your seed, keep them at least 4 to 6 inches apart. I would say 6 inches apart, so when they start growing, because these guys puffed up a lot. So basically what I do, guys, filled it up with soil. Always remember, holes in the bottom, 4 to 6 holes on the bottom. That's for the air and extra water to come through. And put your seed in. Seed should be 1/2 inch to inch. I don't go more than 1/2 inch for these guys. The roots, remember guys, roots grows down. So that's that. One thing I would say though is watering. Lettuce needs a lot of water. As you see, my soil I watered yesterday and it's still moist, very moist. So that was my key secret. My key secret is the watering. The watering to lettuce is highly recommended, guys. That's what I've been doing. This one right here already getting dried out, but this is what I do. I come here, see that needs more water, so I'm gonna water this one back. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna start cut. So basically, guys, if you want, they're very easy to move to. Like this is one piece right here. What do? You just cut the whole top part out. You could leave at least about 3 inches high from the soil. Gently take out the roots, and then you could plant it in another container or somewhere farther, because the more space you have, the more lettuce you're gonna grow. The secret to get the rich green lettuce is to water and the temperature control. Now, lettuce are good for sun, but you don't want to leave them in the sun all day. You leave them in the sun all day, they're gonna get burned, they're gonna get dried up. So a couple hours in the sun, and then try to keep them to a cooler place with no sun. You know, like in my greenhouse, I will have them on the top left, get good sun coming in, and then I'll move them to the other side with less sun coming in. Say if you have your lettuce outdoor, try to like find a area where there's not going to be too much of sun later on, so you could move it to that area, guys, because too much sun for the lettuce are no good, guys, and it's not going to be this rich and green and tasty and produce much. I'm telling you guys, this works so far. Dollar store container, make some holes in the bottom. Look, I even put some little tiny hole in the side. Make sure you water every day. If your soil looks like this, moist, you could go another day or two. If your soil looks like this, dried up, you need water. So this one I'm gonna give more water. This is fine. I'm gonna be doing some cutting now. Hopefully this video was helpful. Guys, if you like this video and you guys learn any tip or anything from this video, don't forget, guys, please give us a thumbs up. And if you're new, please subscribe. We're a brand new channel, and we got lots of more videos, tips, tricks, and awesome stuff. And any question at all, guys, leave a comment below. And here's my dog who loves to step on my plants. There you go. Recap. Container, get a wide mouth container, fill up your soil, make sure you got some holes in the bottom or some side, plant your seed 1/2 inch inside, water. The key is the water. Sun, maybe keep it 4 to 6 hours in the sun. I wouldn't say more than 6. You don't need more than 6 hours in the sun. I'm telling you this because this will work for me, and if it works for me, it will 100% work for you guys. This is easy. And by the way, lettuce is very, very easy to grow. Seriously, it's really easy to grow. Just make sure you don't let your soil run too dry or the lettuce not burn in the sun.